Let's begin by making the marinade for the tandoori chicken. In a large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of full-fat plain yogurt, followed by 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a freshly squeezed lemon juice, half a teaspoon of red food coloring, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then mix to combine. As for the chicken, we are using 4 chicken leg quarters. Feel free to remove any excess fat. We're pulling the skin off the chicken. Get your fingers under the chicken skin and gently pull away. Clean up the rest of the chicken by pulling the skin off and removing any excess fat. Once the chicken has been cleaned, transfer to the marinade. Go in with clean hands and make sure that the chicken is evenly coated. And for the best tasting tandoori chicken, cover and transfer to the fridge overnight. And the next day, set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it preheat. Set the cooking time to 30 minutes. Once the basket has been preheated, place the chicken in, skin side down. Wait, there's no skin, but you know what I mean. If you're making 4 pieces in the air fryer, do 2 pieces at a time. Now, air fried at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, flipping the chicken halfway through. After flipping the chicken over, continue air frying for the remaining time. If you don't have an air fryer, no worries, I got you, boo-boo. You can still enjoy this tandoori chicken by making it in the oven or even the grill. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken leg quarters in a roasting pan, preferably with a wire rack. To ensure proper cooking and delicious juicy chicken, we are using an instant read thermometer. Now, roast the chicken at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes to 1 hour, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, let's make some chutney. In a blender, add 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, 1 cup of mint leaves, 2 serrano peppers, seeds removed, or if you want it extra spicy, just keep the seeds, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 3 cloves of garlic, about 1 inch of fresh ginger, a pinch of kosher salt to taste, and half a fresh lime juice. Add a little bit of water to get things going. Then blend the chutney until you get a smooth consistency. You may taste and adjust salt to your liking. Transfer the chutney to an airtight container and keep in the fridge until needed. And since we're making tandoori chicken, we're also making basmati rice. I am making 2 cups of rice in my aroma rice cooker. Rinse the rice under cold water and add to your rice cooker. Then fill up with water to number 2 cups of water. That makes sense, right? Season the rice with a pinch of salt. Then transfer to the rice cooker and cook white rice. Easy peasy. And if everything goes according to plan, your tandoori chicken will look like this. Ensure that your tandoori chicken internal temperature is 165 degrees before serving. Here we have the roasted tandoori chicken versus the air-fried tandoori chicken. They're both equally delicious. The only difference is the one cooked in the air fryer is done in half the time. Serve the tandoori chicken with a side of basmati rice, a couple of wedges of lemon, naan bread, and the green chutney. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, tandoori chicken. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!